In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how you can install a free SSL certificate within 1 minute for your WordPress website at SiteGround. After the SSL certificate has been installed, your WordPress website is provided with a secure HTTPS connection that you can recognize by the padlock icon in your browser. You have a couple of important advantages when you provide your website with a secure connection, and this will be explained further in this tutorial. In my previous tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to register a domain name and a web hosting with SiteGround and how to install WordPress for your website. If you haven't watched it yet, you can find a link in the description below of this video. If you're already familiar with all the benefits of an SSL certificate and want to go directly to the manual for installing it via SiteGround, you can go to 4 minutes and 57 seconds up in this video. You can also use the other timestamps in the description below of this video to jump quickly to the part that you're interested in. If you don't have a SiteGround hosting plan for your WordPress website already, I can highly recommend it because I have a great experience with them. SiteGround is also the largest hosting company in the world and they're officially recommended by WordPress. You can purchase any plan with a nice discount by using the link websitelearninglab.com/SiteGround. The link is also added below in the description of this video. Most of the tutorials are also available in text on websitelearninglab.com, so if you prefer reading over watching a video, make sure to check that out. Please don't forget to like this video if you learned anything from watching it, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay posted when new tutorials are uploaded. To start off, I will briefly explain what an SSL certificate is and what the advantages are. SSL is short for Secure Sockets Layer, and with this you secure the traffic between your browser and the server of your web hosting. The SSL certificate provides an encrypted connection for the visitor's computer and the server of your website. This connection makes it possible to send data securely over the internet. Without an SSL certificate, all information is sent in plain text and cybercriminals can take advantage of this. So the secure connection prevents cybercriminals from viewing and misusing sensitive information, and for that reason the recognizable padlock icon is used to indicate whether a website is safe or not. Depending on the browser you use and the type of SSL certificate you have installed, the padlock icon can sometimes also have a green color. If the connection is secure, the URL also indicates HTTPS in the browser after you double click on it. HTTPS is an abbreviation for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, so the letter S indicates that the connection is secure. If a website does not have a secure connection, a warning notification icon will be displayed instead of the lock icon. A website that's not secure will not have HTTPS in the URL after you double click on it, and you can also see in the browser that the connection is not secure. If you want to visit an unsafe website, a pop-up is often shown with a warning message. This scares off many visitors, so you miss out on traffic, and you obviously want to prevent that. So for that reason you will need an SSL certificate for your website. A big advantage of SiteGround web hosting is that a free SSL certificate is included for all your websites that you host with them. In this case, it's a free Let's Encrypt certificate that is fine for a regular website or blog. So it's absolutely free, and with some other web hosting companies you can only buy an SSL certificate and the cost can sometimes be as much as $100 or euro. At SiteGround there are no costs involved at all, so that's great. An SSL certificate has several advantages for your website. I will briefly explain the main advantages so that you have a good understanding of this. To start off, you limit the risk of cybercrime. With an insecure website it is much easier for cybercriminals to retrieve sensitive information, and of course you want to prevent this for yourself and the visitors of your website. For this reason alone, it is wise to set up an SSL certificate. Another advantage is that you won't miss out on traffic. As mentioned earlier, without an SSL certificate, a warning message is often displayed before the page is loaded. This has a negative impact on the number of users of your website. To ensure that you do not lose traffic, it's important to ensure that the website has a secure HTTPS connection. An SSL certificate is also good for SEO. Websites with a secure connections are rewarded by search engines with a higher ranking in the search results. This will improve the findability of your website. Since the GDPR law, a SSL certificate is always mandatory for websites that process personal data. Because the guarantee of privacy and security is important, an SSL certificate is an important factor for your website. And overall, an SSL certificate contributes to the reliability and the image of your website. So with that being said, let me show you how you can install an SSL certificate within a few seconds. So now I open up a new window and I have already logged into the WordPress dashboard for the website I'm going to use for this tutorial. As you can see at the top of the page, the website in the URL is not yet secure at this point. And if I now go to the website in an incognito tab, you can see what the front end currently looks like for visitors of the website. Because this is a fresh and new WordPress install, the website doesn't look very nice and clean yet. In the next tutorials, I will show you exactly how you can create a professional looking website, but for now it's all about the SSL certificate and the HTTPS connection. Again, you can see that the connection is not secure by the icon with the warning sign over here. So for now you can leave this incognito tab open, and in another tab you can log into your SiteGround account, and after you have done that you can go to the Site Tools panel for your website. As you can see, I already have this window open, and in the previous tutorial I explained exactly how you can navigate to the Site Tools panel for your website in your SiteGround account. If you're completely new to SiteGround and you do not know how to navigate to the Site Tools panel, then I recommend you to check that out. You can find the link to that tutorial below in the description of this video. So to request a free SSL certificate, you can go to Security via the navigation menu, and after that you can click on SSL Manager. At Select Domain you can already see that the correct domain has been selected. Go to the Select SSL field and select the option Let's Encrypt. Then click on the orange Get button to request the Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. After a few seconds of waiting, you will see that the certificate is visible. Now you can click on the icon with the 3 dots and select the option Enforce HTTPS. You can also do this via the navigation menu at the option HTTPS Enforce. After you enable the Enforce option, you need to log in into the WordPress dashboard for your website. As explained in the previous tutorial, you can log into the WordPress dashboard for your website by clicking on WordPress in the navigation menu of the Site Tools panel and click on Install and Manage. Now you can scroll down, and over here you can go to the small icon and then click on it to open a new window with the WordPress dashboard. After you have logged in, you go to the navigation menu and click on Settings. Now we select General. As you can see, this is a brand new WordPress installation and everything is still at the default settings. In the next tutorial, I will show you exactly which settings you need to adjust after you have installed WordPress for your website. But for now, let's move on and set up everything properly for the SSL certificate first. Over here you can see that HTTP is indicated in both fields, WordPress address URL and site address URL. Add an S to both fields after HTTP, so that HTTPS is indicated, and then you have to scroll down and click on Save Changes. Now you have to log in again with the login details you have entered during the WordPress installation. After the correct details have been entered, you can click on Login. As you can see, the log icon is now shown in the URL, and you can see that it also has a secure HTTPS connection. So now we're almost done and we go to the last step, and therefore we go to the navigation menu in the WordPress dashboard and you click on SG Optimizer, and after the page is loaded you can select the option Environment Optimization. At the top of the page you will see the option Enable HTTPS, and all you have to do is turn that on. Now we're all set, and if we now go back to the incognito tab to the front end of the website and we click on Refresh, then we'll see that after the page is reloaded, everything is safe and secure. Now you can see that the padlock icon is displayed properly, and when I click on the URL, you will also see that HTTPS is displayed in the browser. So that was it for this video. Your website now has a secure connection, and SiteGround will ensure that the SSL certificate remains up to date. You only have to set this up once and SiteGround will do the rest for you. I hope everything I explained in this video is totally clear, and if you have any questions or comments, please let me know below in the comment section of this video. Please don't forget to like this video and also make sure to subscribe to the channel, and when you do, hit the notification bell so you will be informed right away when a new video is uploaded. Also make sure to check out my other videos, and if you prefer reading over watching videos, make sure to check out websitelearninglab.com. So that was it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video.